Solving linear equations. In this mini lesson, we're going to be solving for a variable, that's like a letter, in terms of another variable using addition or subtraction. And we're going to follow two very easy steps. Let's just look quickly at an example. Solve for x, p plus x minus q equals b. So the first step is to isolate, that means to get on its own, isolate the x, that's the variable in the question, by adding or subtracting the other variables. And the second step, you then rewrite the equation with the variable x in the question on the left and all the other variables on the right. So let's have a look at the example. So we've got p plus x minus q equals b. So x is the variable that we want on the left-hand side. So we're going to leave the x there on the left. Then we're going to subtract p from both sides of the equation. So p comes to the other side of the equation as minus p, and we're left with x minus q equals b minus p. Then, in order to isolate the x, we then add q to both sides of the equation. So the minus q becomes plus q on the right. And finally, we've got x equals b minus p plus q. So we've isolated the variable in the question x on the left, and all the other variables are on the right. Thank you.